Yeah, buddy. Get it done, man. Get it done. Yeah, here we go. The brackets. The tourney. Let's do BB gun first. BB gun points. BB gun.
Pellet gun. Any BB guns. They're all good, right? They're all in the tournament, right?
Yeah, whatever.
I got excited.
Okay, so we have.
Yeah. Oh shit! I missed it. What I missed?
Who's like the lowest, like A, B, C, D? Who's the lowest name in the?
K.
D.
Last name K.
Oh, last name or first name?
We'll do Dana first. Done.
Click first.
Who's Dana going up against? Who's the next lowest one?
I mean, who's bad at shooting?
Doesn't matter. No, you can't do that. Who's the next
I'm not
lowest?
very good,
Gary's
so.
G. Anybody below G?
Keeks.
No, Gary.
H-I-J.
It'd be Gary.
K. It'd be Gary. Would be. Okay. I'm like second grade again.
And then it'd be Keegs and Kevin.
So. Bam. Those two. Now
Yep.
the winner.
Keegs, Kevin.
Yeah. Help me out,
Mitch,
guys.
Micah, and me and Roland.
Keegs. Cool.
Can I default out?
Dude, you can help me out by shooting at the sky if you want.
Roland. No, Roland. You gotta shoot, man. Come on.
Unless you're gonna have PTSD.
You didn't even sleep here. You gotta at least be the tourney.
Wouldn't it be you and Micah? Mitch, Micah?
Yeah, it would be. Thank you.
Oh, all technical. We got a scholar in the group.
I hit it
And
again,
then-
Gary.
Who did I just Roland.
That's the gun I'm using.
Who else is here?
Whisper cat, right?
I'm just singing the ABCs to myself.
Is that everyone?
I've leveled some squirrels.
No, Shane? Shane.
Shane. Yep. Thank
Yep,
you.
that guy.
Yep.
Shane.
How accurate is it?
Mitch has got targets for us.
Shane, how accurate is it?
It shoots
All
high. It shoots low right.
So that's
Mitch
the
is
BB
shooting-
tourney right there. Bam. This is the first bracket. It should be like more guys over here, huh? And we all in the middle.
No. It's like March Madness type deal. You
Well,
work
that's what I was doing. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I'm doing only the East Coast by mistake instead of.
Yeah, but you
half
work
of these
your way
guys should
down.
be over here.
No. You
Work.
work.
Keep working down left to right.
Not.
Well, I was trying to do the brackets from left to right. You know.
Let me do you a solid. Do me a solid.
Is it I? I wasn't sure if there was.
I.
There's an I in there, guys. It's all your fault, man. Okay, cool.
Does Eric get a buy? Is that...
Eric.
Oh shit, dude.
Eric's here.
Eric does get a buy.
You get a
Actually,
bye,
he
so
deserves
you-
a buy now.
So you go to the
Yeah.
whatever.
I would throw him in a bracket. Yeah. Oh yeah, Joe. No. Where's Joe?
Where's Joe? Joe's here too.
Joe and Eric. Done.
I think I'm just gonna do the bow, not the BB.
Eric. No.
We're all gonna do
Unacceptable.
Can we choose any BB gun or?
Total peer pressure here. Everyone has to do it. Okay, so Dana and Gary. Okay, no shoot. No shoot.
Yeah, don't shoot. No shooting. I'm not sure.
So, yeah.
It was in
Okay, we'll go over here.
Okay, yeah. So it's good. Yeah. So if you go back, it's on. I haven't.
Okay, so we have a point system. Listen up. Bullseye's 20. That's inside with the X's.
Yeah, I'm just
Everything else is marked.
I'm just shooting.
There's a number. If
Keith,
you're
I just shoot
on
with
the
your gun,
line,
right?
you round up.
Yeah.
Bam, for the win.
Yeah, no.
So,
Up on score. Yeah, exactly. So if you're on the line between like 9 and 10, you go to 10. But between 8 and 9, you go to 9. Now if you get outside, that's 0 instead of 5. Like round down, stop.
Dana's on top and I'm on bottom.
All right. 2-man enter, 1-man lead, guys. Okay.
That's it.
2-man enter, 1-man
3
lead.
shots each.
This is Thunderdome right now.
Thunderdome, 3 shots. And then the guy
2-man
with
enter,
the weird mask
1-man
is
lead.
coming out.
Dude,
that's like
I can
Bizarro.
literally hear Tina Turner right now.
Nice.
I can hear her outside the Thunderdome.
Here we go. So, Dana's first. He's on top.
Yeah. All right.
Dana, where you at?
Pick your poison. Get ready to lose to Gary.
Pick whatever gun you
walk
want.
around
If you
with a
need one,
rifle.
you can use mine or use somebody else's.
That one. Keys. The only one I shot.
Yeah, that thing's
There
a
you go.
nail driver, dude.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's like
I don't know where to aim on it though.
Dude, I
I'm
got the
using
same
Mitch's.
rifle in a 22.
Dude, it's so I'm on top.
is it?
Yeah. The barrel's half as long as the target range. Not fine. Go well for
Yeah.
Yeah, breathing.
All right. So
What'd you get? Where is it?
do we check now or take 3 shots?
No, take all
3
3.
shots,
Take
yeah.
all 3. Get it
Okay,
done.
break barrel.
I'm gonna shoot this gun, dude.
Yeah, dude, I love that gun.
Is it a pump or anything?
It's
Yeah,
a pump.
3
I've been
times.
3, yeah. Nice, dude.
I can't see the shots. Too far away. Even in camera. Oh, whoa, that was like a 5,
See what he's
6.
hitting there?
Yeah, that was way out, bro. You gotta pick that in.
All right.
No, I see a hole on the
On
right.
the way to the right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, brother. Get it in there.
It's real close to that rock though, huh?
Nah, it's fine. You can't be that far away.
Okay, that's 3 shots.
I didn't see where it went. Okay, I'm gonna go do the score. Yeah, so Dana got 22, 7, 6, and 9.
30 the best you can do. Yeah.
30 is the best. Yeah,
Well, no,
3.
20
No, no,
bullseye.
60.
Oh.
Yeah,
60 is the best you can do.
bullseyes.
Yeah, the highest score, not a bullseye, is 10.
All right.
And bullseye is 20.
All right.
So if you get a bullseye, man, you really jump ahead.
Well, it's not overall score, it's head to head, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, against your competitor. I'm saying you really jump ahead with your score. I see one hole. I can't see the other one. Oh, I see right next to it. Okay.
Gotta get the binoculars out.
Yeah. I got my like 55 ocular zoom going on over here. I'm almost out of battery though. Row. All right, I'll go tally it up. I'll record one time with the tally, and then I'm gonna skip ahead. I'm gonna skip ahead, guys. After that. All right, Gary.
Yeah, here, low. You got it right in this zone, slow down, and try to like.
Nice tight group over here. 6.
Yep.
7. 8.
Oh shit.
7, 8.
Gary's been bumped
All right.
out.
Nice.
Gary bumped out. Don't tell Blackwater.
All right, so those sights are a little low and right.
Yeah, same thing with Mitch's. Mitch's is about 3 and 3 at that milk jug.
It's Gary,
20 yards.
is it hitting low and right?
Yeah.
So you have to go high and left.
Well, there's no rear sight, so.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
Oh, there is none on that?
All right,
gotta
so
be
we
good.
got
It's kinda
Keegs and Kevin.
Keegs and Kev. Kev, yeah.
I was shooting Mitch's.
It's you. Go.
Me and you.
Keegs, you're up first.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
you're up.
Okay. Yeah, can I give you these?
Yeah.
Wait till Mitch gets off.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of like a rear and a front sight.
Yeah.
Just
No, I wish I
personally.
could, but I don't.
What were
I
you
don't
lining
feel
it up with,
comfortable
Gary?
that
Just the center of
See
it?
the,
Just the,
I can't shoot Mitch.
see the white on the nozzle there?
And I'm not shooting mine
That's
because
it.
half the shots.
what about on the back? We're using a reference point on the back?
That was
It's a fun gun to shoot, but it's
No rail, huh?
awful.
That's the point I was trying to make. Is it's like,
You didn't use the
I like to take that thing at my hip and just see how many rounds I can put out in a minute. Like, I don't care what I hit.
Gotta be good, big man.
That's probably the approach.
I think there's like 4 prizes over there. So whoever wins first of each one, whoever gets first place, gets one first pick. You know,
Okay.
first pick,
Okay.
first pick.
Okay.
Nice.
Second place of respectable, they'll get the second and second.
We could do it by score too, highest score for the previous round.
Right, so if like the first player gets a higher score in BB gun, first place, then he did shooting, a different person, whatever.
Yeah.
Whoever had the highest score between the two, because I'm using the same paper over there,
Right.
will get the first pick overall.
Yep.
Yada,
Nice.
yada.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right.
I'm not
Okay,
gonna
so this is all set now. What are the names?
Yeah.
Keegs, Keegs is on top.
Keegs and
Kevin's on
Kev
the
next.
bottom.
Keegs and Kev.
Throw me that. Chuck it, bro.
Yeah, I can't shoot about. I
Keegs is
literally
on top?
never have.
Keegs and Kev.
And I've got a shoulder.
K&K, M&M.
And I guess this is the shooting spot
Me
right
and
here.
you will be the
Yeah,
shoulder-
I think
the
see
shoulder
the
shooter.
orange flags Mitch and
Oh,
I
you
put
got-
up.
you have
This
to
is
throw
kind of
the
where you're
arrow.
shooting
Yeah.
from.
Okay.
Always.
We're
I
gonna
mean,
do out
you
loud.
can encroach that line a
Yeah.
little bit, but
Micah,
Yeah.
we're doing that loud. Me and you.
Gary, here you go. This is your scorecard. You get to keep.
yeah, I want, dude. I'm definitely.
I'm gonna
keeping mine.
sign like NS Rendy 2018 on it later. We'll do all that stuff later.
This is Dana.
I'm on the top.
All right.
Dude, I'm pumped.
backwards.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep mine. I'm gonna keep my score.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, I mean, I've just hit out the bow. Yeah.
I've never shot one and I got it.
This is Keeks' gun, so I think it's gonna be pretty nasty.
Elliot, please.
Oh, there's Joe, dude. Someone should go grab Joe. Joe's matched up with Eric. I mean, you guys are last up. With
Just wait at the end. He's using his saw,
Yeah,
yeah.
just having too much fun with the chainsaw. Nice. That thing really is a nail driver.
Yeah, that's a great.
Well, you gotta be able to kill, right? This would kill a deer if you were,
Shot it in the eye socket.
well, no,
Or the
if you were-
ear.
well, there's some pellet. They make some particular pellets.
It would kill a deer if you bashed it over the head with the rifle.
Shoot it in the air, man, you know?
Right in the ass.
No, they throw some weight for sure. I've taken
way
out a
right.
handful.
Way to the right on that one, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, it's 3. I'll go get the score.
Break barrel.
All right, guys, so my battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna fast forward on this. Roger that. Later, see you.
Good job, Rob.
All right, so I wasn't filming. Sorry about that. I just had a pretty good round. Shot, what was it? 8, 9, and 10.
8, 9, and 10.
So I got 27 right now. Sitting the highest score so far.
All right, Roland, you're up.
That's what the person says before they get the lowest score ever.
We gotta redo that scorecard.
Here comes the lowest score ever. No, it doesn't matter total score at all. It's just brackets. It doesn't matter if you blow somebody out or not. It's irrelevant. I'm going to the second round. That's all it is. Just like NCAA, man. Okay, so we just finished the first round. Those are the guys going to the second round. Now it's just 5 guys shooting for score. Lowest man is out. Then there'll be 4 names left. There'll be 2 against 2, and then 1 against 1 for the championship. All right, Shane just got a bullseye. First one of the day. Bam! Oh, snap. That's worth 20 points, ladies and gentlemen. 20 points. That was my card. 998. Shane Nasty. This is a single elimination round. There's 5 guys, the top 5 guys, so second round are shooting for points. Lowest man gets dropped out. And yeah, Shane on top. On top.
Seems like we can't get a half decent fire.
All right, scorecards. Of course you're gonna keep it, dude. Bullseye?
Look at the numbers now.
Roland's like, burn mine. Marines don't take a loss very well, I guess.
Go, man.
Thanks, man.
Bam.
Bullseye. Nice.
Love it.
Gary hesitated for a second too, and I'm like, pause for effect, and 20.
All right, so third round, I managed to get a bowl. How was it set up? Like this, I think. Just like that was the bottom. Oh, snap. Good times. Came in on the clutch. Yeah, Shane, get it, man, get it. Oh, look at that setup against the tree. Dude, he's like Fred Bear over here. What do you got going?
No, that was way bottom left.
Oh, dude, I see a real nasty one. You on top?
Yep.
Oh boy, I see a pretty good one. Oh man. All right, so it's a championship match. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but I got like 1 minute left on my camera. It's me and Shane. Championship match, buddy.
Let's do it, dude.
All right.
Dana, we might have to get a
All right,
scoring
check it.
over there.
All right.
Someone come look, please.
Thought I recorded that. I did.
Oh no. Hopefully my
Yeah,
camera's
Mitch
still
can't
going.
score
I don't know
himself.
if it is.
You did good, man. You had some real high numbers there.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, you gotta be happy with. Now, did you, as you look back, did you shoot better as you went along?
I think so, yeah.
Good. Okay, what'd you shoot? A 22, a 28, and 27.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I
up
shot a
2 10s and a 9. 29.
I shot a 20 and 19.
10s and a 9. Another big one.
Oh, coolness.
10s and a 9.
2 10s and a 9. Where's the marker? You got it, Gary?
No, I don't.
No?
Wait, no, yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
do.
do. Someone should be writing this, not me, but...
We crushed you.
What was it? 2 10s and a 9.
That's some more a chafe with a nizzle. It's a knife and a chisel.
Did you break it and do that? Or
Nope.
That's how you
That's how they
do
show
it.
it, man.
Check it out, huh? That's interesting.
All right. I don't know how much longer my battery can handle it, man.
And they go chife. They go, or it's my nizzle.
Huh.
Right?
That's nice. That's interesting.
That's handy. That's handy.
All right, last shot in the championship. What do you got? I got a 29. What do you get, Gary?
This is it.
This is it.
This is it. Time to pick a gift. Time to pick a door prize.
It looks like 9, 8.
How about a tie?
It looks like 8, 9, and a 10.
Okay,
What is that?
That's 27.
27.
27? 8, 9, and a 10?
8,
10, 9,
27. Yeah, you won by two points, it looks like.
Did I? Bam! Champion. Sick. Awesome. There it is, the first annual BB tournament, Native Survival Rendezvous 2018. And I happen to win, which I didn't expect, but I'll take that.
I don't know about that.
I'll take that.
Questionable discrepancy.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Yeah,
Dude,
dude.
that's awesome, dude. Me and you,
After
bro.
the last time I was shooting, I'm like, there's no way I'm even gonna make through the first round. So I'm happy I made it. This
Me and
far,
you, man. Sick. All right, so I had to get first or second dibs on the prizes. If somebody gets a higher score in archery, then they get the first dibs. If not, then I will. That's how it's going to work, like we said.
Okay.
So there it is. Right on. Cool.